yung pinipilaan guys sa mani kasi bagong luto sariwa kaya masarap, crunchy. Yan yun yung sinasabi ko guys na mani pinipilahan. Haba ng pila yun after lunch, sigurado yan guys. Lakad-lakad. Bawas sa taba, bawas calories. Okay. Hey guys, thank you for watching. That's all for now. Kain muna tayo.